Welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday. Today we're talking about Simon Sinek. Now, a lot of you guys know him as the Why Guy. Here's a quote by Simon Sinek, and this is for business. Working hard for something we don't care about is called stress. But working hard for something we love is called passion. Think about that for a second. It's difficult. I think we lose focus on what is important in life and the busy work and the busy things we do. And it's terrible when you get up out of bed in the morning and you're like, I have to go to work. I hate my job. And then it relates and everything just starts piling down on you in a negative way. Everything all of a sudden becomes the opposite of good, right? I guess my point, in today's quick talk here on Whiteboard Wednesday is really concentrate on what you love and what you do in life and appreciate the things and the people around you and your ability to do what you do. Find what you find is going to give greatness in your life, make you feel great, make you feel powerful, empower yourself, I should say, to do something that you truly love. I don't care if it's in the creative world of what we do as an agency, if you love numbers, I love numbers too, I'm a geek, all that kind of stuff. Just find that home of work and find that place that you just feel that you want to get up every day and go to that favorite Starbucks, do a little journaling, feel good about yourself, and understand that is passion. Passion is not hard to find. It's just you have to let yourself be free to find it, right? A lot of us stress at the small things in life. You can't change what happened yesterday, can you? Can you change what you said to your son a minute ago? No, you can't take it back. So sometimes when you're in those modes of stress and you find yourself in that cloud of negativity, which creates everything that is just a burden or it's troubling you, maybe just take a step back and say, it's okay. Let's wipe that clean. Can't change the past. Can't change anything you just did. Can't change anything about you unless you open yourself up and empower yourself to find passion in your life. And when you find it, hold on to it tight, right? Ride that wave of passion. So we talk about Simon Sinek here a lot, and I'm going to end it on this note. It's powerful when you think about the why in life. And, we talk about it a lot in business. At the end of the day, you want to find purpose. Everything you do just is purpose. What are we going to do? How are we going to do it? Why do we want to do it? It really boils down to whether it's in your personal life, your business messaging. We try to do that here. I try to do it every day of my life. And I just wanted to leave you with a quick, positive understanding that, hey, we're all in the negative cloud sometimes. It's hard to be, pulled out of it. Work on it. Work on empowering yourself to find that passion that drives you every day. Grab onto it and realize how lucky you are, okay? Very lucky you are. And ride that wave and make everyone else around you feel the same way, because that's what happens. It's very infectious. So, happy Wednesday. Here's to whiteboards. See you next week.